Hello YouTube. Today just a quick review about my new DeWalt chainsaw. I tested already, so I'm very happy. 2 jobs made it, so I think for like small jobs, of course, is no for big cutting or cutting big trees, but for small jobs, or if you are a gardener, I think it's worth to buy it. Okay, quick about how to use it. Okay, it's 35 centimeters the cutting blade. It's the XR, so you're just using the one battery. I'm using the FLEXVOLT 54V 18 volts. So with the one battery, it's very light. It's very it's nice to it's good cutting. So I think it's like, you know, it's not like chainsaw when you have like 2 or 3 batteries or like big batteries. I think is quite light. This is the level check for the oil. So if you have the oil, you see how much oil there's. It's very important to have always some oil, because to keep the blade sharp. And what else? If you want to turn on, if you have the save lock, you cannot turn it. If you want to turn it on, just turn off the lock and it's perfect. So and that's all actually. So, you know, all down to test it. We now test it and have a look how it's working. So have a look. Nice cut. How you see it's very quick, very easy. Of course, this wood is like lying here for the while, so it's not like fresh one, but have you see the cutting very nice. So actually, even you can do the like board for the kitchen for cutting, like, so I think is the good one. So what's out? Have a look for one more video what I actually did the last time, so you can have a look, and so see you there. Nagrywa się. Ale już tam idę. How you see that is working good. I'll be recommended this tool. I will try to in the few jobs. So if you have any questions, so please leave them in the comments and subscribe the channel if you like my videos. Okay, cheers guys, thank you.